What is a complete blood count? A complete blood count, CBC, is a blood test that measures the number and quality of different types of blood cells, including red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The test can help detect a wide range of conditions, including anemia, infection, inflammation, bleeding disorders, and certain types of cancer. A CBC is often ordered as part of a routine physical examination or as part of the evaluation of symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, or shortness of breath. Red blood cells, RBCs. RBCs are responsible for carrying oxygen to the body's tissues. The CBC measures the number of RBCs, also known as the RBC count, and the amount of hemoglobin, a protein in the RBCs that binds to oxygen. Low RBC counts or low hemoglobin levels can indicate anemia, which can be caused by a variety of conditions such as blood loss, chronic disease, or nutrient deficiencies. White blood cells, WBCs. WBCs are part of the body's immune system and help to fight infection. The CBC measures the number of WBCs, also known as the WBC count, and the different types of WBCs, including neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, and basophils. An abnormal increase or decrease in the number of any of these types of WBCs can indicate infection, inflammation, or certain types of cancer. Platelets. Platelets are small cells that help with blood clotting. The CBC measures the number of platelets, also known as the platelet count, in the blood. Low platelet counts can indicate bleeding disorders or bone marrow problems, while high platelet counts can indicate blood clotting disorders or certain types of cancer. The CBC results will also include the mean corpuscular volume, MCV, and mean corpuscular hemoglobin, MCH, and mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration, MCHC, which are used to measure the size and hemoglobin content of the red blood cells. Who should get it done? A complete blood count, CBC, is a common test that can be ordered for a variety of reasons. It is often ordered as part of a routine physical examination or as part of the evaluation of symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, or shortness of breath. It can also be ordered for people who have certain health conditions, such as anemia, bleeding disorders, or cancer. It is also recommended for people who have symptoms such as unexplained fatigue, weakness, or shortness of breath, unexplained weight loss, unexplained bruising or bleeding, unexplained fever or chills, unexplained infections, unexplained rashes or other skin changes, unexplained abdominal pain. Additionally, people who are taking certain medications that can affect blood cells may be asked to have a CBC done on a regular basis to monitor their blood cell counts. People who are planning to undergo a surgery or other medical procedure that carries a risk of bleeding may also be asked to have a CBC done as a precaution. It is important to note that a CBC alone cannot diagnose a specific condition. It is used to help identify certain conditions or monitor the progression of a known condition. Additional tests and examinations may be needed to make a diagnosis.